5,000 essential English words everyone should know with examples and pictures. Advantage.
He took advantage of the opportunity to study abroad.
Knowing multiple languages is a clear advantage in this job.
Cause.
Smoking can cause serious health problems.
The police are investigating the cause of the accident.
Choice.
You have a choice between tea or coffee.
Making healthy choices can improve your lifestyle.
Community.
The community center offers classes for adults and children.
She is actively involved in her local community.
Dead.
The flowers were dead due to lack of water.
They found a dead bird on the sidewalk.
Distance.
The distance between the two cities is 100 kilometers.
He could see the mountain in the distance.
Escape.
The prisoner tried to escape from jail.
We planned a weekend escape to the countryside.
Face.
She had a smile on her face.
You must face your fears to overcome them.
Follow.
Follow the instructions carefully.
The dog will follow you wherever you go.
Fright.
She screamed in fright when she saw the spider.
It was just a movie. There's no reason for fright.
Ghost.
The old castle is said to be haunted by a ghost.
She loves telling ghost stories around the campfire.
Individual.
Each individual has unique talents and abilities.
The rights of the individual must be protected.
Pet.
My pet cat loves to play with string.
Many people consider their pets as part of the family.
Reach.
He reached for the book on the top shelf.
The campaign reached its goal of raising $10,000.
Return.
She will return from her trip next week.
Please return the book to the library when you're done.
Survive.
The hikers survived 3 days in the wilderness.
Only the strongest businesses will survive the economic downturn.
Upset.
The bad news really upset her.
It's easy to get upset over small things.
Voice.
She raised her voice to be heard over the noise.
Everyone deserves to have their voice heard.
Weather.
The weather forecast predicts rain for tomorrow.
We had beautiful weather during our vacation.
Wise.
It's wise to save money for the future.
The wise old man shared his knowledge with the village.
Allow.
The rules do not allow running in the hallways.
My parents allow me to watch TV for 1 hour a day.
Announce.
They will announce the winners at the end of the day.
The company announced a new product launch.
Beside.
Come and sit beside me.
The lamp stood beside the bed.
Challenge.
Climbing the mountain was a real challenge.
She accepted the challenge to run a marathon.
Claim.
He claimed to have seen a UFO.
The insurance company settled his claim quickly.
Condition.
The car is in excellent condition.
The patient's condition is stable.
Contribute.
Everyone can contribute to the project in some way.
She contributed a recipe to the cookbook.
Difference.
There's a big difference between knowing and doing.
Can you tell the difference between these two colors?
Divide.
Divide the cake into equal parts.
The river divides the city into two parts.
Expert.
She is an expert in environmental law.
If you need help, ask an expert.
Famous.
The artist became famous for his unique style.
This city is famous for its delicious food.
Force.
The storm forced them to cancel the trip.
She used force to open the stuck door.
Harm.
Smoking can harm your health.
The chemicals could harm the environment.
Lay.
Lay the book on the table, please.
The hen lays an egg every day.
Peace.
The treaty brought peace to the region.
I find peace in the quiet of the countryside.
Prince.
The prince will become king one day.
The fairy tale is about a prince who saves a princess.
Protect.
The law is designed to protect consumers.
Parents protect their children from harm.
Sense.
He has a good sense of humor.
Dogs have a keen sense of smell.
Sudden.
There was a sudden change in the weather.
She felt a sudden pain in her leg.
Therefore.
He was the fastest runner, therefore, he won the race.
The road is closed, therefore, we must take another route.
Accept.
You must accept the terms and conditions to continue.
He accepted the job offer with excitement.
Arrange.
Can you arrange the flowers in a vase?
She arranged a meeting for next week.
Attend.
Many people attended the concert.
Will you attend the wedding?
Balance.
It's important to balance work and leisure.
She lost her balance and fell.
Contrast.
Contrast the two styles for a better understanding.
The colors were in stark contrast to each other.
Encourage.
Her parents always encourage her to try new things.
I want to encourage you to pursue your dreams.
Familiar.
This song sounds familiar.
He is familiar with the city's streets.
Grab.
Grab your coat, it's cold outside.
She grabbed my hand and pulled me away.
Hang.
Hang your jacket on the hook, please.
The picture hangs on the wall.
Huge.
The elephant is a huge animal.
They live in a huge house. If you have enjoyed the video so far, please support this channel by subscribing, liking, and commenting. Let's continue watching the rest of the tutorial.
Necessary.
It's necessary to have a passport for international travel.
Drinking water is necessary for survival.
Pattern.
The dress has a floral pattern.
The bird's flight pattern is fascinating.
Propose.
He proposed a new plan to increase sales.
She proposed to her partner on the beach.
Purpose.
The purpose of the meeting is to discuss the new project.
He lived his life with purpose.
Release.
The band will release their new album next month.
Release the bird into the wild.
Require.
This job requires attention to detail.
The recipe requires 3 eggs.
Single.
She bought a single ticket to the show.
Every single piece of evidence is important.
Success.
Hard work is the key to success.
She achieved success in her career.
Tear.
She shed a tear during the movie.
Be careful not to tear the paper.
Theory.
His theory was proven correct.
The theory of relativity changed physics.
Against.
The team played against their rivals last night.
She leaned against the wall to rest.
Beach.
They spent the day relaxing on the beach.
The sound of the waves hitting the beach was soothing.
Damage.
The storm caused a lot of damage to the houses.
It's important to check the car for any damage.
Discover.
The scientist discovered a new element.
I discovered my love for painting during college.
Emotion.
She expressed her emotion through music.
It's normal to feel a range of emotions after such news.
Fix.
Can you fix the broken window?
He fixed the leak in the pipe.
Frank.
Let's be frank, the situation doesn't look good.
Frankly, I don't think this is a good idea.
Identify.
The police were able to identify the suspect.
Can you identify the problem with the engine?
Island.
They traveled to a tropical island for vacation.
The island is home to many unique species.
Ocean.
The ocean is vast and full of mysteries.
They sailed across the ocean on a ship.
Perhaps.
Perhaps we should try a different approach.
Perhaps it will stop raining by afternoon.
Pleasant.
The weather is pleasant today.
It was a pleasant surprise to see you.
Prevent.
Vaccination can prevent many diseases.
We must take steps to prevent pollution.
Rock.
The child threw a rock into the pond.
The mountain climber scaled the rock face.
Save.
He managed to save enough money for a new car.
The lifeguard saved the drowning swimmer.
Step.
Watch your step as you go down the stairs.
She took a step forward in her career.
Still.
The water was still and clear.
She was still awake at midnight.
Taste.
The soup needs more salt to taste right.
She has a taste for fine art.
Throw.
Throw the ball to me.
He decided to throw a party for his friends.
Wave.
The crowd waved at the passing parade.
The heat wave caused temperatures to rise.
Benefit.
Regular exercise has many health benefits.
The new policy will benefit everyone in the company.
Certain.
I am certain that she will succeed.
There is a certain charm to his writing.
Chance.
Everyone deserves a chance to prove themselves.
There's a good chance it will rain tomorrow.
Effect.
The medicine had an immediate effect on the patient.
His words had a profound effect on me.
Essential.
Water is essential for life.
It's essential to follow the instructions.
Far.
The village is far from the city.
We have come far in our research.
Focus.
You need to focus to solve this problem.
The camera's focus was off, resulting in a blurry image.
Function.
The function of the heart is to pump blood.
The new software added many useful functions.
Grass.
The grass is always greener on the other side.
They sat on the grass and had a picnic.
Guard.
The security guard works night shifts.
You must guard your personal information online.
Image.
The image quality of this camera is superb.
She has a positive public image.
Immediate.
The accident required immediate medical attention.
He felt an immediate connection with the place.
Primary.
The primary goal is to improve customer satisfaction.
Her primary concern was the safety of her children.
Proud.
She is proud of her achievements.
The country is proud of its Olympic athletes.
Remain.
Some questions remain unanswered.
He remained calm under pressure.
Rest.
You should rest after a long day of work.
The rest of the cake is for you.
Separate.
Please keep the recyclables separate from the trash.
They decided to live in separate houses.
Site.
The construction site is off limits to the public.
The company launched its new site last week.
Tail.
The dog wagged its tail happily.
The comet had a long, bright tail.
Trouble.
If you need help, don't hesitate to ask. I don't want you to be in trouble.
The car has been nothing but trouble since we bought it.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel and support us with likes and comments.